Dude, he just pisses me off with that shit.
Damn. Crazy.
Definitely didn't like penis. You power your phone off your penis?
Day 2 here in Idaho.
And so like we said, we were bringing the Corolla down to get a header built. And at the same time, Caleb brought down the Skyline. Kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone with this trip. This is not gonna be, we're not gonna even really gonna work on it while we're here, but.
Well, she's still fucked. That didn't change.
No.
Yeah, just try to pull some shit off of this and, you know, pull the front out a little bit so we can start unbolting some things and checking shit out. Figure out what's really up.
Yeah, figure out if I
need to buy a new Skyline or not.
Yeah.
First drive in the Skyline since the crash, dude.
On the wrong side of the car.
Oh shit. Woo! Oh yeah.
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 Starts curving in like right there. You can see if you look at it from over here.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, we can yank it and see what comes of it. Especially if we can get it up in the air and check it out from the underside, that's when we'll really know. It's behind the strut tower, which isn't ideal, but
I mean, I feel like also what we're looking at is amplified because this is all here and this is definitely fucking curved. Which all of this forward is gone.
Yeah, we'll see what Charles wants to do, because he'll know.
What you want?
I need that for my Corolla.
$6.
Okay, well, we were talking about this, and I don't want to give too much away, but we're gonna set it on fire. No, not really. We're gonna get it up on the lift eventually, but we got other shit to do.
Yeah.
This is the table that Charles just made, with my help. He couldn't have done it without me, really, but he'll never admit that.
He literally lifted it.
What's the plan, good sir?
Well, we got a little pie cutty action going because we're not buying $20. It's $27.
$27 for a 90 at AutoZone. So they said, "Fuck that, I'll make my own." Damn.
So we're gonna go
A little off to the side there to avoid the steering shaft.
Go straight down. Actually, I'll probably go really close to the steering shaft so we can make it as straight as possible. Straight, and then...
How cool is it that we're standing under it and we get to do this?
I know. That's so much better. Remember when I used to have to hold it up with my leg?
Yeah, get a boner and hold it up again.
Yeah, my dick's like propped, and then I don't stay hard the whole time, and I'm like, oh god. My finest work. Builds bomb ass manifold. Make welded exhaust.
Is it hot?
No.
Oh.
What am I holding? I just need to put this clamp on.
Oh yeah, no binding here.
Okay, well. And we're done.
There we go.
Right there.
I've got the next section, guys.
Damn.
Wow.
All right, weld it up. Steven! This one? Come here! Her name's Berkeley, but we've been calling her Steven since she was a puppy.
Alright, so we came up with a pretty crazy idea. Quentin's agreed to it, which is great. We realized we only had a few feet left of this 2.5, so we're gonna go to 3 inches, and we're trying to figure out what to do with the rest of the exhaust. And then Charles noticed this little divot in the frame rail, and how there's plenty of clearance for side exit. And this heat shield can definitely house our muffler. So, I think we're doing muffled side exits with 2-inch twin, like,
yeah, make it like a really bitchin' 2-into-1 cut, and then have it all TIG welded and like staggered, scalloped edges to like stick out just.
Imagine shooting flames
out of
right here where you're sitting.
Yeah, just you could like roll your camera out the window and be like.
I think it'd be cool.
Yeah,
might as well try it.
Yeah,
and I was just saying.
Hate it like it's changeable.
If I don't like it and it looks gross or sounds gross or.
Yeah, get half an exhaust put on. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's sick. I think that's too sick to not do.
You're getting out, don't hit your ankles on it.
And if you can actually like keep it like right there, that far away from the body.
Yeah.
Muffler too big. cherry bomb just right. So we're gonna replace the muffler with the cherry bomb, and hopefully it fits. The end. That's crazy is when you blow in there, you really do be muffling. Like you can tell.
You really do be
so quiet. Yeah, right?
Oh, super good.
That's talk somewhere.
Anus!
That's so crazy.
It's like he's
Anus.
talking right there.
Anus. Eat my butt!
Amazing.
very quiet.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Nobody even heard what I said.
Yeah. Thrush? No, that's yeast infection, dude.
What?
Thrush. When you have thrush, it means you have a yeast infection.
The nipple titty fuck?
Yeah, is it just the paint? Is it possible?
I don't know. This is fucking dumb. Why would they make this like this?
Yeah, what the dick?
Cherry bomb. Call me.
This is thrush,
Try the other
actually.
side.
Whatever.
Oh yeah, that's slipping over.
Oh yeah, that's so good.
You didn't even need the mallet.
No, it's all over.
I used my hand skills. Go figure, we have massive exhaust
Yeah, it kind of
leaks.
just sounds like shit.
I'm no man, I'm a boy.
Oh, boy.
Oh boy. Let's go. Let's go. You crushed my finger in my hand. There is a leak up there somewhere. It's very bad. It's a gasket.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tack this and weld this out, and we're gonna cut this end off because we took two 90s and we split them down the center. So fucking G, because I'm the heat. This looks a little ovalized, which it is, because you'd be right. But what's gonna happen is once I weld this all out, I'm gonna put this back in the vise and we're gonna push this back to where it's almost round, and then we're gonna weld it to a round tube. And I don't really worry about gaps because I have a huge penis.
Oh.
Bleep all that out. I want them to know nothing. It's a massive cock.
Okay.
It's a French press.
It's a French press.
You go to That'll be funny.
All right, and then it's later now, and this exhaust is huge.
So drunk.
Charles is challenging himself to see how drunk he can get before he can't weld anymore.
Getting very close. I have the hiccups.
This whole chunk assembled, so then it's just gonna be two straight pipes, 90, or like they're both 90, but they're just 90 at different points.
I think I'm gonna do the first one first.
The second one second.
Charlie! Marker!
Also, I think that's supposed to be out of the little pipe.
Oh, it works.
Well, it's added to the minute. It's safe.
What?
It's safe.
For what?
All the gases and stuff.
It's under gas, dude. It doesn't melt. Perfect.
Bung going in. Okay, wide band is in. Quentin and I have been routing the wiring for it and working with the little control box for that. And some exciting shit has happened. A tube has been tacked. Hee hee.
Put it on my head.
This will definitely be a driver's car. Like you'll hear it.
Yo, can you grab me that?
You good, Caleb?
That was right next to my eyes.
That's a Mako.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, that is
That's so sick.
What? Tut, 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 tut. Brap, 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 brap.
We're communicating. It is fucking complete. It looks so good back here. We're making fun of Charles because the front looks like shit, and then it goes
And then
to
he
this.
got more fucked up. This is no beer. And then this is drunk.
Yeah, there you go.
Man,
These are different.
It's all the same.
I'm an alcoholic.
All right. Yeah. So we're just waiting for it to cool, and then we're gonna put it on.
My eyes are burning.
Wow, that's not good. That's fucked up. I was so happy with that until I seen this.
Just needs a little shave.
Come down here, like right here. Look where I'm looking. Be me. Oh!
So things didn't go terribly as planned yesterday. The exhaust is done, it looks sick. Sounds pretty good aside from the massive leak, but we have a real gasket at home. So last night we tried to run it and drive it. We found out we have no intake air temperature.
And we also couldn't figure out the wideband.
Yeah, so this morning we ended up getting a intake air temperature sensor and wiring up the wideband.
We just had it like wired wrong.
Yeah, so we got it all wired up. We have all the sensors and stuff we need now. Still running weird, but we just figure it's like we just need...
We need somebody who's smart to look at it.
Yeah, so it's just like one team viewer session away from being good, but it's good enough to get on the trailer. Yep. Sick.
Dude, I'm so used to pushing cars out of the shop that I forget that
I know,
some cars can drive.
Push it. We're off.
Here she lies. Bye bye to the skyline for now. We'll be back.
See you soon. Thanks for all the hard work. Always.
Oh, we're hugging.
Corona!
You know the drill. Check out Cinder Track Fabrication and Fabtown on YouTube.
Yes.
And buy a manifold today.
Yeah, buy manifolds so we can
They're
keep building
good.
cool shit.
If your car doesn't go...
What are you even doing?
Manifold is a big part of solving that problem.
Yeah, you need that.
Well,
We love you. Bye.
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 Love you too. Ciao to the patrons.
Ciao.
Thanks for watching.
Ciao to the patrons.
Now for a 10-hour drive.